1600 dual temperature zone atmosphere tube furnace, good helper for atmosphere sintering and annealing. High purity corundum tube, resistant to high temperature and corrosion, capable of stable operation at 1600 degrees Celsius. 2 temperature zones, multiple gas path mixing system, suitable for heat treatment processes in various atmospheres. Mainly used in fields such as crystal annealing, electronic lighting materials, two-dimensional material sintering, atmosphere-protected sintering, vacuum coating, CVD experiments, and material composition determination.